Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Learning English. Today we'll learn how to use should and shouldn't in our daily life conversation. As mothers and family members, we often give advice to children and our loved ones. So let's learn some simple and useful sentences for our daily situations. At first we have to understand what is should not. Should means it is a good idea, it is the right thing to do. Shouldn't means it is not a good idea, it is better not to do something. Let's see some sentences. We should brush our teeth every day. We shouldn't go to bed late. Right? Now we'll see how we use shouldn't in our real life situations at home. How a mother advising a child about studies. Let's see some sentences. You should finish your homework first. You should keep your books in the proper place. You shouldn't scatter your books. You shouldn't waste time on mobile games. Then we'll see how we use shouldn't for our good health. You should eat healthy food. You should eat fresh fruits and vegetables. You shouldn't eat junk food. You shouldn't skip breakfast. You should drink more water. Then let's see how we use should and shouldn't for our daily routine. You should wake up early. You shouldn't watch TV too much. You should do yoga every day. You should do exercise every day. Now we'll see how people use shouldn't for their safety. You should be careful while crossing the road. You shouldn't talk to strangers. You shouldn't touch the plugs in wet hand. Okay? So what are the mistakes you do while using shouldn't? What are the common mistakes you do? Some examples. You should to drink more water. Should to drink is wrong. You should drink more water. You shouldn't to go there. You shouldn't go there. Not shouldn't to go there. Remember, after shouldn't, you should use base form of verb. Right? Now, let's practice some sentences, useful sentences. I should help my parents. I should help my parents. Children should respect elders. Children should respect elders. You should save money. You should save money. You shouldn't waste money. You shouldn't waste money. You shouldn't tell lies. You shouldn't tell lies. Now, you write two sentences using shouldn't in the comments. Right? Now you know how to use shouldn't in your daily conversation. So, remember and practice these sentences for your daily life, for your daily conversation. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Easy Learning English for simple English lessons. Thank you for watching.